Alright, here's a quick little rundown on the Mack RM series. So this was a plow truck. Used to have a big front plow, but it was all welded together weird and it was jimmy rigged pretty bad, so it is no longer here. Side plow, that can come off, a bunch of bolts. It's got the PTO in the front, big hydraulic piston there to raise and lower the front plow when it had one. This truck is very overbuilt, so it can do a lot, but it's worked hard. So it used to be a plow truck for, you see this white emblem here, the National Park Service down in Yellowstone, and then this tar heap gravel company out of West Yellowstone. And it's got the big tank. There's one tiny little air leak right back here, but everything functions pretty much. I mean, I drove it around, it seemed fine, even with the little air leak, so it shouldn't be too bad. One big piston to raise and lower the dump bed, and of course that can all come off. Single axle, dualies in the rear. So this thing used to be an all-wheel drive, but I don't know if you can see that. Basically, the front differential they had in here wasn't geared correctly to the rear differential, and so they must have destroyed that front one and decided to just take it all out. So it's meant to be an all-wheel drive, but it is currently a two-wheel drive on the rear. So that is that. Let's see, what else we got going on? Tires, I'm not going to say they're in the best condition, but they get you around. Here's the setup for the side plow. There's big cylinders on there. Like I said, that can all go away if needed. Spare tire holder. Let's see the bed. Pretty good condition for being a 1980s dump bed. Everything works. Very rear of the truck. Okay, here's the passenger side. The engine. Here's the driver's side of the engine. It does have this oil leak right here on this gasket on the top here. Look into the cab. This seat is an air ride seat, the other one is not. 5 valves there. It's got an Allison automatic transmission. There's a few electrical ghosts in this thing. I've been trying to figure out kind of some of that, but there's still a few remaining. Almost 3,000 hours. I have an extra windshield gasket for if someone were to replace the windshield, which probably recommended. There's a couple grooves from the windshield wipers. That's the cab.